Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a text call during a call on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So while having an ongoing call, if we have this call menu, we can press this call assist and then we can go to text call. Now over here we will see this text in your language that you have switched to the voice assistant pretty much. And over here we can type pretty much anything, and the assistant will read that out loud. You will still hear the other person from the other side, and you can communicate with them. You don't have to talk, you can simply text them, and the assistant will read them what you write out loud. And it doesn't really matter what device the other person uses, because the assistant is built in the call by your device, not theirs. So if you want to exit the text call, we can tap on this arrow, not arrow, this icon actually in the top left corner, and there we go. We will switch back to voice call and we can just keep talking again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!